Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify skip to content links in modern sites, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify skip to content links in modern sites, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the website you want to test. Look for the skip to content link, usually located at the top of the page. This link often appears as a text line saying skip to main content or something similar. Press the Tab key on your keyboard to highlight the skip to content link. Once the link is highlighted, press the Enter key to activate it. Observe whether the page scrolls to the main content area. If the link is functioning correctly, the focus should move to the main content. Check that the focus is placed on the first interactive element in that area. If the focus does not move as expected, note the issue for further assessment. Next, use a screen reader to check the link's accessibility. Activate your screen reader and navigate back to the skip to content link. Ensure that the screen reader correctly announces the link. Once activated, listen for any cues or feedback from the screen reader. If any issues are detected, consider whether the link is properly coded. Inspect the HTML code associated with the skip to content link. It should have a clear anchor tag with a valid ref attribute. Make sure it points to a specific section of the page. Check if there's an ID attribute in the main content section matching the ref. Also, confirm that the link is visible and easily accessible. If it's hidden or hard to find, improve its visibility. Test the skip to content link across different browsers. This ensures compatibility and functionality across various platforms. Lastly, document any findings and recommend necessary changes. Verifying skip to content links enhances accessibility for all users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.